Meanwhile, fresh concerns this evening about the number of COVID-19 cases being confirmed at some business process outsourcing BPO facilities in Jamaica. More in this report.
The business process outsourcing sector has the misfortune of being home to one of Jamaica's first COVID-19 workplace clusters, and recent developments at Hinduja Global Solutions have sparked fresh concerns about safety protocols in the sector. Over 100 cases were confirmed at the company, while a manager also died from complications linked to the virus. When our news team visited the facility on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew this morning, there was very little activity on the premises. Gloria Henry is the president of the local BPO sector. She addressed some of the concerns related to Induja Global Solutions.
From my understanding, not all of those persons were working at site. Some of them were working from home. I have to commend them on the measures that they've taken to, once a few persons were infected, to test everybody so they could be proactive in their response strategies, to mitigate the potential of other persons in other sites that they operate getting infected.